Hi guys, BRN Contracting here with a custom model review of the 2954D John Deere Roadbuilder I custom built for a customer. This machine was built along with the D8R that I recently uploaded a video on, and I am supposed to do another one, so yeah. Okay, so as you can see, it's a Roadbuilder excavator, as I have mentioned before. We'll get started at the front end of the machine. Here we have a 2-tine thumb, which goes down and up. The bucket, it's a custom-made bucket, 4-tooth. Here, better view. 4-tooth, more or less standard size digging bucket. Moving up the boom, we have some hydraulic lines. Just focus the camera here. Some hydraulic lines, and those run to the thumb. And more or less, that's it for the front end of the machine. Now, another thing I did, I worked with the undercarriage. This undercarriage is off of, I believe it's a 959 John Deere feller buncher. It has the rotating or leveling unit on it. I added, because the track was kind of too low from here to here, so, or yeah, not high enough really. So, and the track had quite a bit of slack in it. As you can see, there's still a little bit, but it's good. It's good enough. I can't really go any higher because I don't have the right material. But as you can see, I put a piece of round plastruct in there. Plastruct tubing on top of the original idler, and that boosts up the height a bit and takes some slack out of the track. So I did that for both sides. Now that's it for this one. Just a road builder, another road builder to add to the YouTube collection of custom road builders, but this one turned out great, and can't wait to do another one. Any questions, please let me know. Always feel free to comment, rate, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.